Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dat from NowDatsRVing. Today I'm going to show you how my RV actually sits at home and how it stays powered up. So here's the RV. Sits on this concrete block driveway. And at home, it is actually plugged in. I have it plugged in here, okay, with a Dogbone from the 112 system to the 30, connected to my surge protector. Okay, so the surge protector, again, is going to show you that it's all green here. It's good, everything's. And of course, it is plugged in to the RV. Okay, so it's plugged in here, and as I've shown you before, that power indicator, again, that green light showing that it is powered on. So, and then another thing I have is actually this Trickle charger that I actually hook up, okay, to the power outside here. Okay, so I have that powered, which the Trickle charger is hooked up to the battery. So, and then from that battery, you just heard that sound, and you saw earlier. I have it hooked up to a device that emits sound and lights, so that it keeps any critters outside or out of the engine bay. So again, the device that emits the sound and lights on a cycle, which is actually, I'll show you later how it is hooked up to that charger that is connected to again, that Trickle charger. Okay, and hooked up to the RV there, which is hooked back to the house. So that's my setup at home. So I hope you enjoyed the video of the setup at my house here, on how the RV is kept on the driveway and kept powered up. So again, please like, subscribe, share, and make comments. Now that's RVing.